All right, this is Joey O'Neill from Sound Systems. This is just a quick video to show Jamie how to operate the new mixer we've installed at Amanda PH. I'm going to start by turning the mixer on. We won't turn it on this way all the time, but I'm doing this just for demonstration purposes. Once the mixer's going to turn on, it's a digital mixer, so it takes it a second to do that. It shouldn't do that every time. I hope. If not, we might have to turn the subwoofer off. So you might have to do that. All right, once we power the system on, it takes it a few minutes to boot up. It's pretty much like a computer, so here's how we get started on it. First of all, when we power it up, our master volume control is always going to be down to infinity or 0, so first thing we have to do is take it and move the master volume up to 0 or unity gain. That's where I set the system up at. If the whole system is obviously just too loud, then you can bring the volume up or down to whatever suits the purposes of the service. Second thing we need to do is we come over here to these two buttons. I have a label that says House Channel 1 through 16, and we need to push both of these buttons. The reason is, if we push just the top button, this becomes channels 1 through 8. If I push the second button by itself, this becomes channels 9 through 16. But it's much easier to operate if we push both channels simultaneously. And now it becomes channels 1 through 16 all the way left to right across the console. That's how we have it labeled for piano, vocal, piano, pulpit, 3 wirelesses, our music playback, our 3.5, choir microphone, and then some other extra channels. So that operates the sound system for the house speakers, master volume, and individual level control. I'm going to play some music to test a couple of things with. And right now my playback music is coming up in channel 9. And I turned my amplifiers off, so let me turn them back on. Now knowing that my music is in this particular channel, I can mute it and it goes away everywhere. I could listen to the solo of it in the headphones if I needed to. The headphones is right here. Or if I wanted to change anything about it, like the tone control, the equalizer, anything like that, I have to push the select button. Now I have to push the select button on every single channel of anything that I would like to change. For example, if I wanted to change the equalizer, make it more bassy or treble, then I'd have to hit the select button. Then I can hit equalizer. And if I hit view, now my display becomes my equalizer view. Same thing with any other setting I have on here. Now the biggest question is going to be, how do I control my monitors? So stage monitors are set up different from the house system. This controls the house speakers, and I also have choir monitors and stage monitors and subwoofers. If I wish to make any adjustments on any of those, I'm going to unmute my music. And if I wish to make any adjustment on my monitors, there's a button right here that says monitors, and if I push that, now I have a master volume control for my choir monitor, and I have a master volume control for my stage monitors, which means I can mute them if I wanted to, turn the sliders up and down and turn the master volume, or I can make an adjustment on my subwoofer. So let's say for conversation purposes I want to take wireless number 3 and turn it up in the stage monitor. What I do is I'd select stage monitor, because you always select what you want to change first. I hit select on my stage monitors, and then most important, I have to hit this button right here that says sends on fader. I push that button, and now I can turn up or down anything on the system that would turn it up in the stage monitor going that way on the stage. Right now there's a little bit of piano vocals going through it and a little bit of wireless number 4. So I'm going to turn up wireless 2 and 3, so all of our wirelesses are going to the stage monitor. Once I finish making an adjustment on my monitor, it's really important, or most important, that I hit this sends on fader, and now I'm back into my regular setup if I push these 2 buttons. Right back where I was. Okay? 843-602-5883.